2 weeks ago, we came back from Guyana. It was like weather was in the 30s. 2 weeks ago, come back here. Look at this. Everything is covered with snow and it's still falling. I don't know where I'm gonna dump all of this. Can't even see the sidewalk properly. And it's still falling. Oh man. Today is actually a snowing day. A lot of people didn't go to work today because, as you could see, look where the car is parked and you can see how high the snow is. So a lot of people stay home today. A lot of cancel it. I think in the whole of the GTA, the Greater Toronto area, school is canceled. Boy, I'm gonna go through the garage and see there. Look how high the snow pack up on this vehicle. Like if you were to get down, low down, the door wouldn't be able to open properly. Oh boy, this is gonna be a good couple of hours out here now. Let's see how deep the snow is. Oh snap, it's going into my long boots. I have on a long boots and so it's pretty much just below my knee. Holy mackerel. Look at my entrance to the house here. You don't know where the step is. Look what I have to use, a long handle broom to clean this up. To get weather like this will put you in the mood to just book your ticket and head back to Guyana or to a warm country. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I gotta start making a track from this one side. Oh boy. Where am I gonna throw this? I'm going on the second round. I've been out here. I cleaned for about half an hour. I went inside and this is what I do for half an hour. Just clean off the vehicle, clean a piece here and clean at the back there. So I'm gonna back up the vehicle and then clean this next piece. Yeah. the amount of snow today. Too much accident on the road. I was watching the news just now. Doesn't make sense to left house and go anywhere today. I think that's about it. Holy mackerel. I'm tired. Look at the pile here and over there. See, because the space between me and my neighbor is so narrow with the tree here, everything has to push all the way on that one side, and that's killing. And I normally clean the sidewalk till at the end of where the fence is, because there is a serious story. Someone fall in front of your property, you're gonna be in trouble. That's it for cleaning up the snow today. Oh man, I'm tired. And I was saying I don't want to go out nowhere, and for whatever reason I feel like to eat a pizza now. The thing is, no delivery is available in the right now because the road is all blocked up. So that's a plaza out there, straight across here, and as you go a little more left, there's a pizza store there. I'm gonna head out and grab myself a pizza. That's it.
This is what it's like being back in Toronto.
From Guyana. We had 30, 28 plus degrees.
Now we're at -14 and snow up to your knee.
And it took me like 2 hours to clean a little piece of driveway. I have a single garage, so imagine those people with double garage.
Goodness.
Watch, people get stuck. This car gets stuck.
Uh-oh. Horrible snow day. At least out here is clean.
Yeah, once you're out on the main street, it's gonna get better, but the small street them would not get clean until
These ones are done?
100%, maybe until about tomorrow or so.
Uh-oh. A lot of snow.
I want to go back to 28. I want to go back to Guyana, buddy. Hot sun.
To 592?
Yep.
Soon.
And Banks beer.
Look at them. Front of people's house.
Yeah, they have snow blower. Now look at this street.
Our street is, oh my gosh.
Oh, this minivan gets stuck.
Oh,
Look where the snow is and look where his front bumper is. Oh, even this guy. Oh boy.
the van is dancing. I can feel the wheels going. What's going on here?
Everybody cleaning driveway and
Oh, the
the
snowblower.
snowblower pushing
Oh.
on the street.
Oh.
I'm 100%. You see when that truck comes for clean this driveway, the street, he's gonna make a nice bank in front here, and I'm gonna have to come out and
Look at our pile up. Taller than Jimmy. Oh Lord. Anybody want some snow to buy?
I wish put them in a container instead of put them in barrel instead of Guyana. And then get like Rajiv go play inside. I can see he do that anyway. Now a lot of people decide to come out and clean their driveway.
I can't do it. I'm going in. I'm cold.
And you're out here for like a minute. Oh man, I'm studying that truck come and clean this street. That I'm gonna deal with when that time reach. Look at where I'm standing and look at the pile of snow that I cleaned. And this is one set, and then you got the next one at the tree over there. Ay ay.